I need to give you an update.
Okay.
He just came out of the side of the house and he brandished a gun. He had on his waistband. He brandished a gun. He said, if they come for me, I'm ready for them. It's a fake one? Okay, my mother is saying it's a fake. I think it's a fake one. He has, to my knowledge, he has no bullets. I saw a fake one on the dirt.
Okay, what did it look like?
It's just like a toy fake gun. Okay, well, I'm on the phone right now, and I've been outside in the house. I've been outside, and I've been monitoring him to make sure he hasn't left the house. He thought it was funny, and he came out with the gun underneath his belt. He said, if they come for me, I'm ready. That's what he said to me.
Okay. But you think now it was a toy?
I don't know, officer. I don't trust my son.
So what did it look like?
It looked a big black revolver,
Mom, or Chris, go ahead and take that breezeway lethal.
To Baker 10, be advised he brandished a weapon, chrome in color. Okay.
I just knew we had to protect the house.
Oh, yeah. No.
Off.
To Baker 10 to Hutchins, watch us to the west. Watch to the west. Gun! Gun! Show me your hands! Gun! 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 Don't move! Gun! Gun right hand! You right there down. He's down right here. He's down right here. Stand down. Don't move. I can't see on the right side, you guys. Right side, Sarge. Hold on. I can't see the gun. He had it in his right hand.